Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, The Pinay Couponer, and welcome to another video haul. And this haul is my Walgreens couponing haul for the week of May 23rd to May 29th. And today guys, I will be using my other account, which is actually my husband's account, because this account has the spend $20 and get $5 Walgreens Cash Digital Spend Booster. Whereas my main account, it has the spend $50 and get $10 Walgreens Cash. It's too much for me guys, so I will just use this account. And I also have a paper booster, which is to spend $35 and get $8 Walgreens Cash. This will stack with my digital spend booster. As we all know guys, that we cannot use Walgreens Cash to pay when we are using the paper spend booster. But there is a method now guys that we can use Walgreens Cash to pay and we'll still earn our Walgreens Cash rewards even if we are using the paper spend booster. I will not do it this time guys because this account has no Walgreens Cash. But if you want to try it guys, go check out Judy Dunn's video. She has tried it twice already and it worked perfectly fine. And she has also explained it very well. So go check out her video guys. And so if you are new to my channel, welcome guys. My name is Vanessa and I hope you subscribe to my channel. And if you do, please hit the notification bell also so you will be notified when I post new videos. Okay guys, we are now in Walgreens. Hi guys, so these are all the items that I grabbed today in Walgreens. And I did two transactions. One is in store and one is online. So you can see here two Colgate because one of the Colgate I did online together with my Maybelline. So let's go over with each deal guys. So I grabbed the Colgate. This is on sale for $3.99. And when you buy two, you get $4 Walgreens Cash. So total is $7.98 and I have a $4 of two Colgate digital coupon. Next deal is the buy 3 participating items, get $5 store coupon. That's the store coupon guys. It's $5. So I grabbed the Old Spice Clinical, two of them, priced at $7.99. So total of $15.98. And I have a $4 of two Old Spice digital coupon. Then I added the Oral-B toothbrush. It is on sale for $4 and I have a $2 of one Oral-B toothbrush digital coupon for this. So next deal is for the Gold Bond. This is buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy two you get $2 Walgreens Cash. So I grabbed this Gold Bond Eczema Relief Hand Cream priced at $5.99. And the other one is half price, which is the Healing Hand Cream at $2.89. So total is $8.88 and I have a $2 of one Gold Bond digital coupon that applied, and I also handed a $1.50 of one Gold Bond printable coupon. So that's it for my first transaction guys. The Colgate, the Gold Bond, the Oral-B, the Clinical deodorant here. So here's my receipt. So here's the Gold Bond Eczema, $5.99, and the other one, the Ultimate Hand Cream, $2.89. Then my Old Spice at $7.99, so 2. Then my Colgate at $3.99, so $7.98, and my Oral-B, $4. So I handed my paper booster here, it applied. Then my Old Spice digital coupon came off, my Colgate came off, my Oral-B came off, and my Gold Bond digital coupon also came off, and my Gold Bond printable also here, $1.50. So as you can see, my subtotal was $23.34. And I earned a total of $19.36. $4 Walgreens Cash for buying Colgate, $2 Walgreens Cash for buying the Gold Bond, $5 Walgreens Cash for my digital spend booster, and $8 Walgreens Cash for my paper spend booster. So total of $19. Then I earned this $5 store coupon for buying the Oral-B and the Old Spice Clinical deodorant. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $6 for buying Old Spice. So let's go over with my second transaction, guys, which is my online curbside order. Here, the Maybelline Umuno eyeshadow, the Maybelline Twin Brow Pencil, and the Colgate. So Maybelline this week, guys, is not giving back any rewards, but this is on sale for buy one get one 50% off. And I have a $7 off to Maybelline eye product digital coupon. So I grabbed this Maybelline here, Mono eyeshadow. This is $3.99, and the Twin Brow Pencil is $4.49. So since this Mono eyeshadow is cheaper, so the half price is this one. So the half price is $1.99. So total of the two is $6.48. So it took off only $6.48, making both of these completely free. Then the Colgate is same, buy two, get $4 Walgreens cash, and I have a $4 of two digital coupon, making this only $3.98. But I got back $4 Walgreens cash, making them completely free. So here's my receipt. Here's my Colgate at $7.98. And the pricing for the Maybelline here were already adjusted, guys. But the total was still $6.48. So my subtotal was $3.98. And I got back $4 Walgreens cash. So let's go over with the final numbers, guys. If we combine everything, the total amount is $51.30. Total coupons used was $23.98. So total after coupons is $27.32. But I earned a total of $28 rewards, $5 register rewards, which is a store coupon for buying Old Spice and Oral-B, $4 Walgreens cash for buying Colgate, $2 Walgreens cash for buying Gold Bond, $5 Walgreens cash for my digital spend booster, $8 Walgreens cash for my paper spend booster, and $4 Walgreens cash for buying another Colgate, which is from my other account. Then I got back $6 from Ibotta, making my final cost free plus a $6.68 money maker. So amazing, guys. So that's it all, guys, for my Walgreens haul. Small haul but mighty. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please give this a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about couponing and follow my journey of savings, please subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.